Why, this car is automatic. It's systematic. It's hydromatic. Why, it's greased lightning.
Greased lightning.
We'll get some overhead lifters and four-barrel quads, oh yeah.
Keep talking, won't keep talking.
Fuel injection cut up in chrome-plated rods, oh yeah.
I'll get the money, I'll get the money.
With the 4-speed on the floor, never waiting at the door.
You know that ain't no shit. We'll be getting lots of tin. Greased lightning.
Go grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter mile. Go grease lightning, you're coursing through the hip-lap trials. You are supreme, the chicks are cream for grease lightning. We'll get some purple French tail, that's 30-inch rims, oh yeah. A Palomino dashboard and doom like the twins, oh yeah. With new pistols, clubs, and shocks, I can get all my rocks. You know that I ain't bragging, she's a real pussy wagon. Grease lightning. Go grease lightning, you're burning up the quarter mile.
Grease lightning, go, grease lightning.
Go grease lightning, you're coursing through the hip-lap trials.
Grease lightning, go, grease lightning.
You are supreme, the chicks are cream for grease lightning.
Ahí está la tapapos. Parece más cerca de la Moni. Y apoyada, cómoda. No. Moni, mírame. Hasta tu bola, no te acuerdas. Venga, claro. A ver cómo ha quedado.
¿Pero qué hacéis en paras de la vida?
Venga, adelante, aquí vamos a seguir, Javi. Un poquito más, venga, ahí con la calma. Muy bien, ahí está, muy bien.